how long is it going to take me to crochet this hair? All this hair. All this hair. It's from here to here. Let's see. So if you want to know what's happening here inside, see, my needle isn't coming out. My needle stays there. There's an art on how to keep it there. There's an art on how to maintain that movement. If you want to know how to do that, go to my interlock video on my website and you'll be able to see exactly what every pull entails. I'm not just poking here. There's a science behind it. It's not just lucky. I'm not just getting lucky. There's an art towards it. There's an art on what my fingers are doing. Okay, there's an art on exactly what's happening in here. It's not just poking. So you want to learn the basic science like I would explain to a 6-year-old. That's exactly what I do. Less than a minute, the maintenance is finished, which means if I had 100 locks to do, I have 100 minutes. Okay, that's an hour and a half maintenance, and I've charged $300 for this kind of maintenance. If it was a regular palm roll, probably would take me that amount of time because you put clips before you remove them, blah, blah, blah. Same amount of time. Okay, so head over to my website and see how to do that and learn how to do this. Okay, keep it loose at the base because if it's too tight, the hair follicles start to break off. And then it creates a headache. You don't want to have that. So I'm going to tighten it just a little bit more, but you get the point, you get the message.